Hello guys, good morning. I'm making a short video. I'm going to make a smoothie. So let me show you start making it what I'm doing before I go to work. We will need banana. Let's choose that. Add some milk. Now we're going to add one teaspoon of pepper. Next, we're going to add some honey. Mine come from straight from Haiti, so it's so thick. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oat. Add a little bit extra, it's fine. Next, I'm adding some brown sugar. But this much, not too much. Now I'm going to add cinnamon powder, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to add nutmeg. That's enough. And then we're going to add some vanilla essence. One. And now get yourself up. Throughout the video, keep using ice. I have guys on. Now put some ice. It's enough. And then just add this. Cheers.